Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, let's quickly understand the use case of WhatsApp 24-hour rules, how it impacts messaging and charges inside the BotPenguin. So what is WhatsApp 24-hour window? Whenever the customer sends you a message on WhatsApp, a 24-hour custom window starts. During these 24 hours, you can freely reply to customer. Your bot can send messages. Live agent can respond. This is called the user initiated conversation window, like where the user have initiated the conversation. Let's take an example that a customer have sent you a message at 10 a.m. today. So for the next day, 10 a.m., you have a 24-hour window where the bot messages agent reply will work without sending a template or anything. Now let's discuss what will happen after 24 hours once this 24-hour window will expire. So you cannot send a normal message anymore if the 24 hours has expired. Free form of bot reply will also stop working. Your team members can also not reply to those conversations. At this point, you must use the approved WhatsApp templates. These are meta approved templates used to reopen the conversation. And why this is important? Because it can create like messages to fail unexpectedly. Bot may appear not responding. Additionally, WhatsApp conversation like WhatsApp messages, the charges may apply on top of that. So best practices to avoid these things. Make sure that you are replying to the customer's query within the 24-hour window, and to reopen the conversations, you are using the templates, the meta approved templates sent to the customer. And these are the common things that you can use. That's all what we have about this 24-hour window, why it is there, what are the use case of it. So these are some common things that you have to keep in mind. In case if you have any queries regarding the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin.